Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to place an ad on Craigslist along with pictures. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in craigslist.org and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Craigslist website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and you will end up within the login page. Just enter your email address and your password and proceed forward and you will be logged into your account. Now if you wish to post an ad along with pictures, you can click on the post option at the top right or the post an ad button. Once you click on this, you will be asked to choose the type of posting. Just choose the kind of ad and then choose the category. You will now be allowed to post your title. Just enter a catchy title that viewers will be attracted by and also enter the price of your product. You can then enter your city or neighborhood followed by your zip code. Then enter the description of your product. After entering your description, you can also enter the make and manufacturer options as well as the model and the dimensions. Choose the condition from the drop-down menu and then choose whether you accept cryptocurrency as a payment method and if you offer delivery services. You can also include the more ads by this user link within your post. Choose the language of posting from the drop-down menu as well and then enter your contact information. Provide your email address. And if you wish to have your phone number shown, then you can also click on the Show My Phone Number option. You can then enter your phone number as well as your contact name. After entering all of these information, click on the Continue button. You will now finally be allowed to add your image. Click on the Add Images option, or you can also drag and drop the image file within the provided area. Once you add your images, click on the Done with Images option, and now you will be shown your final ad. If all of the information is correct, click on the Publish button. And now your ad will be published right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to place an ad on Craigslist with pictures. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.